Kung babalikan po natin, nagkaroon po lately ng pamamaril po dyan sa loob po ng isang eskwelahan. At kinumpirma na rin ng Department of Justice na natanggap na ho nito yung kaso para ho doon sa may-ari doon sa baril na nagamit sa pamamaril. May update dyan si Bombo Gran Hilario.
Kinumpirmahan ng Department of Justice na kanilang natanggap na ang reklamo laban sa may-ari ng barila na ginamit ng estudyante sa pamamarila kamakailangan sa Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Ayon kay Justice Undersecretary Attorney Ian Normandato, Philippine National Police ang siyang naghain ng reklamo sa Office of the City Prosecutor ng Zamboanga. Ano ay isa sa ilalim pa nato na reklamo sa masusing ebaluasyon ng prosekusyon at inaasahan ang posibleng pag-i-issue ng subpoena sa nakarehistrong may-ari ng barila. Magunitang noong ika-18 ng Agosto ay naganap ang insidente ng pamamarila sa nabanggit na universidad, nagresulta sa pagkasawi ng mga estudyante. Ating panggana si Department of Justice Undersecretary Ian Normandato.
I also confirm, the department confirms that our field office, the Office of the City Prosecutor of Zamboanga City, has received a complaint against the registered firearm owner that was allegedly used in the August 18th shooting at the Ateneo de Zamboanga University. Of course, this will undergo proper evaluation, and as a matter of course, we expect that subpoenas will be issued on the respondents so that issues can be properly ventilated and the prosecutors will have the chance to evaluate the complaint.
Ibinagi ng opisyala ng sinampan ng reklamong reckless imprudence resulting in homicide and physical injury ay ang ama ng estudyanteng namaril sa universidad. Subalit tumanggi ng kumpirmahin ni Justice Undersecretary Dato kung ang reklamong o inireklamong individual ay miyembro o kawani ng Bureau of Customs. Aminado siyang sa kasalukuyan ay wala pa silang tiyak na impormasyon patungkol sa rason o pinagmulan ng insidente ng naturang pamamaril. Ating muling balikan ang tinig ni Undersecretary Ian Normandato ng Department of Justice.
The only information that I can confirm is that a complaint has been filed before the Office of the City Prosecutor of Zamboanga City as relates to the registered firearm owner. So as to any angle, as to what brought about the incident or what caused the incident, we don't have any information on that yet. I can confirm that the complaint is against the father, but as to he is an employee or official of the Bureau of Customs, I can only go by what has been publicly disclosed.
Git naman ni Undersecretary Dato na case-to-case basis ang paghain ng reklamo kontra sa nakarehistrong may-ari ng baril sa tuwing may insidente o pangyayari kahalimpulad. Uli nating balikan at mais pang ulit na mapakinggan si Justice Undersecretary Ian Normandato.
The unique circumstances of this incident, of course, we defer to the evaluation of the law enforcement agencies, and the National Prosecution Service will only act upon the evidence and the law that is before them. But I would assume that it would be a case-to-case basis depending on the unique circumstances of each case.
Ito si Bombo Gran Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 radio network in the country. Your trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!